Hello everyone. In our previous video we did embedded phonics and analytic phonics. Today we are going to do a new type of phonics, that is analogy phonics. Hi everyone, I am Tanvi from Young Roots. Before we start the new phonics type, I would request everyone to subscribe my channel. Yes, now let's start with analogy phonics. Analogy phonics is a different type of phonics where they read words with the word families. For example, at. So whatever words are there with at, they will read all those words very easily. Cat, mat, pat, fat, rat. So all the at family words are being read very easily with them. But sometimes they might find it difficult because the sound might change in some cases. Or what did they do over here? As you saw when we are doing at family, you have changed the consonant which is in the starting. Cat, rat, mat, fat. The at remains consonant, remains consistent, and you change the consonants, right? And in different cases also, what they do, the consonant remains the same, they change the vowels. So for example, rip. Okay, so you have changed the rat into rip. The vowel has changed. So with the help of the rhyming words or the family words, the baby can read it very easily. So as in the old format we had seen embedded phonics, where the baby used to get stuck in the middle of reading if the new word has come, and the baby would not be able to do it. Then the teacher comes into the role and teacher helps in segmenting that word, and then you read that word. But in this case, the teacher tells you the family words or the rhyming words, and the list of words are given which the baby can easily read. In this case, what happens if the word is out of your family word? When the words are big, small words can be easily reading, but what if the words are big? Then your synthetic phonics comes into picture, which helps a lot, because in that the baby knows the sound, blending of the sounds, and then reading the big letters. In synthetic phonics, they take 44 sounds. So your letter sounds have been taken care of, plus the digraphs. The two letters, when they come together, they make one sound. So that is also been taken care in synthetic phonics. But in analogy, they only take 24 sounds and they concentrate, 26 sounds, and they only concentrate on that sounds. Yes, so when it comes to tricky words also, they have the rhyming he, she, me. So the family words or the rhyming words can be easily done, but this is done on a later stage when they are very familiar with all the family words which they have created. So but whereas in your synthetic phonics, your he, she is being covered. They have parts like tricky level part 1, 2, 3. So that level keeps on increasing once you go higher and higher. So in synthetic phonics, they have divided in such a beautiful way. But in analogy, those rhyming words are being taken care together. So the word family is important, and the words below that family is being taken care together. So this was about analogy phonics. In next video, I will be putting a video on synthetic phonics, which is the latest phonics which is being used all over your preschools, higher schools, Montessori's. They take synthetic phonics. So keep following my channel and wait for my next video. Bye.